the All India Muslim Personal Law Board in Delhi's Jantar Mantar is protesting. The apex body of Muslim clerics in India has organized a protest against the Waqf Amendment Bill. Like I said, at the Jantar Mantar. It's a protest area site in the national capital. Now, the board says that the proposed legislation was a direct attack on Muslims and would pave a way for usurping of the Waqf property. Now, this is a protest that has been organized by the Muslim Personal Law Board, who has always been against the Waqf Amendment Bill. They believe that this is going to hamper the rights of a certain community. The protest right now is being organized at Jantar Mantar. I'm also joined by my colleague Piyush Ori there. But before, let's listen into some of the voices coming from the BJP.
तो ये कोई कारण नहीं है, वो केवल एक देश में इस वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी को जो केयरटेकर या मुतवल्ली जिनके हितों पे कोई कुठाराघात होगा, जो खुर्द-बुर्द करते थे, एक जब बेहतर कानून आ रहा है तो उसको लेकर के जिस तरह से ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये केवल विरोध के लिए विरोध कर रहे हैं। आखिर अब जो एक अमेंडेड या हमारी रिपोर्ट है, उस रिपोर्ट से ऐसी कौन सी बात है कि जिसको लेकर के उनके मन में कोई विरोध है या शंका है? कोई अगर ऐसा है तो उस रिपोर्ट को पढ़ ले।
वक्फ एक बहाना है, आग देश में लगाना है, दंगे भड़काना है, वोट बैंक की दुकान चलाना है। आज जिस प्रकार से जंतर मंतर पर आंदोलन की बात की जा रही है, ये वही मंडली है जिसने कहा है कि हम लोग शाहीन बाग स्टाइल प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे। ये वही जमात है, समाजवादी पार्टी, तृणमूल, कांग्रेस और सारे लोग जो ऐसे आंदोलनों को पीछे से मदद करते हैं और कहते हैं कि सड़कों पर उतरना होगा। वक्फ के नाम पर वैसे ही भड़काया जा रहा है जैसे कि सीए के नाम पर भड़काया जा रहा है।
Viewers, we just heard Jagdambika Pal over there. He was the chief of the committee that was given the responsibility of drafting that amendment bill by taking in all the views from all the quarters. Now we are joined by my colleague Piyush Ori from the protest site. Piyush, we just saw a couple of minutes back that you questioned those protesters over there as to what are their demands, what is wrong in the amendments, which amendment in particular are they not in favor of. But they were seen searching for words. They did not know what they were doing. I say, go on Piyush and ask them what in particular in the Waqf Amendment Bill do they not approve of? And what is the entire idea behind this protest? Has the Muslim Personal Law Board briefed them as to what does this bill brings in as it is passed?
Right. So in fact, Mother Rima, what I can tell you is that because we had a word with them and because we were able to also bring out that how several youth who have collected over here do not actually know what exactly is the essence of the Waqf bill. Now a strict directive has been given to the people over here that they should not speak to the media. However, what we will be doing is we will still be having a word with them. We will be trying having a word with them so that at least we can try to show our people that how many of the people over here actually do not know the essence of the bill. In fact, I would just request the journalists to show the visuals over here. आप यहाँ पर आए हैं, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आपने प्लेकार्ड आपने किया, आपको कुछ ना बोलना चाहेंगे? आपको क्यों नहीं बोला गया है बोलने के लिए भैया? आपने ये प्लेकार्ड रखा है, अच्छा प्लेकार्ड दिखा दीजिए, आपने क्या लिखा है? प्लेकार्ड क्या है? सेव वक्फ, सेव कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आपको क्यों लगता है कि वक्फ संविधान कैसे बचेगा? आप कुछ बोलिए, आप तो
बड़ों से बात कर लो।
अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा हाँ, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आप इतनी दूर से आए, आप कहाँ से?
हम कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहेंगे, तो बोलो स्टेज पे। कुछ नहीं।
आपने प्लेकार्ड तो रखा हुआ है कि वक्फ एसेट्स आर नॉट फॉर द स्टेट सीजर। वक्फ का जो लैंड है, ये आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है?
मीडिया के लोगों से खुसूसन अपील की जाती है।
ठीक है, So here you can see. So here you can see, Madhurima, that strict directive has now been given to the organization over here, to the people over here, that they should not speak to the media. And I would also request my video to show the visuals over there at the people who have collected at the stage, who have now going to be speaking and who are going to be now making their advocacy of why they are opposing the Waqf bill. The key point over here, Madhurima, is to understand that many people over here perhaps do not understand the essence of the Waqf bill. They've been given the placards by certain organizations, which includes the All India Muslim Personal Law Board and All India Majlis-e-Ittehad Muslimin, which are the key political organizations. But yes, when they are being grilled, when they're being told that what exactly is the reason, many of the people over here do not know the answer. So yes, it is going to be very important to note from here that what exactly is the step that is going to be taken by the organizations over here, taking into consideration that it seems that the protest over here seems to be more political than ideological. Back to the studio.
Thank you. Thank you, Piyush, for those details. We'll keep coming back to you. Keep an eye on what those leaders say from the stage and what is the idea behind this entire protest. Does this protest have any basis, or it is just a fight against the Waqf bill without any know-how?